What if Earth was a cube? Imagine looking out your window one day and instead of the usual curved horizon, you saw the massive sharp edge of the Earth. The big question is, if Earth was actually a cube, would humans even survive? At first, it might seem like only the shape changed, but honestly, everything would be completely messed up. If you lived in the middle of one side, things would feel pretty normal. But the closer you got to the edges, the more you'd feel a strange force pulling you toward the center. Walking would get harder, buildings would have to be built tilted, and cars might not even be able to drive near the corners. But then there's the oceans. The oceans would look terrifying. All the water would gather in the middle of each side, while the corners of the Earth would turn into mountains so tall they might stick out past the atmosphere. Imagine living on a peak where the sky is almost black. And the weirdest part? The weather. When winds slammed into the edges of the Earth, they'd suddenly change direction, creating massive storms that no city could survive. Even day and night would become unpredictable. Some places might stay in darkness for weeks, while others would burn under non-stop sunlight. Now think about borders and countries. On a cube-shaped Earth, each side could feel like its own separate world. Countries would probably be built near the center of each face since the edges would have dangerous gravity and extreme weather. The edges themselves could become the most important borders on the planet. Crossing one might feel like entering another world entirely. And here's the craziest part. We only changed the shape of Earth, yet human life became completely different. It really shows how perfectly balanced and strange our world already is. If you're into weird science scenarios like this, make sure to subscribe because in the next videos, we're going to explore questions you've probably never even thought about before.